Apple's foldable iPhone has been one of the most talked about devices in the tech world for years, and now new leaks are giving us a clearer picture of what Apple may finally be working on. The device is rumored to be called the iPhone Fold Ultra, and while it sounds incredibly exciting, there's one major problem Apple is still trying to solve before the phone becomes reality. And that problem is the hinge. According to recent reports, Apple's biggest challenge right now is making a hinge that is strong enough to survive years of folding and unfolding without breaking down. That might sound simple, but in the foldable phone world, the hinge is basically the heart of the entire device. If the hinge fails, the whole experience falls apart. Apple is reportedly testing several hinge designs, but early prototypes are still not meeting the company's high durability standards. Unlike some brands that rush products to market, Apple usually waits until everything feels polished and reliable. That's one reason why the company has not released a foldable phone yet, even while competitors like Samsung have already launched multiple generations of foldables. Because of these hinge problems, some reports now suggest the iPhone Fold Ultra could be delayed all the way until 2027, but despite the delay, Apple is still making progress in other important areas. One of the most exciting upgrades being tested is the display. Foldable phones today often have a visible crease in the middle of the screen where the display bends. Many users complain that this crease ruins the premium feeling of the phone. Apple reportedly wants to change that completely. The company is said to be working on advanced materials and new engineering techniques to reduce or possibly eliminate the crease entirely. If Apple succeeds, the iPhone Fold Ultra could offer one of the smoothest foldable displays ever seen on a smartphone. That alone could instantly make the device stand out from competitors. The rumored display sizes also sound impressive. Reports suggest the phone may feature a 5.5-inch outer display for quick tasks like messaging and calls. When unfolded, the inner display could expand into a massive 7.8-inch screen, giving users an experience closer to an iPad than a traditional phone. That means better multitasking, gaming, streaming, and productivity all in one device. Another interesting feature Apple is reportedly testing is a modular design. This could become one of the biggest hidden upgrades of the entire phone. Instead of building everything in a way that is difficult to repair, Apple may design the Fold Ultra so individual components can be replaced more easily. That could lower repair costs and increase the lifespan of the device. Leaks also claim Apple is avoiding cables running across the folding section, because cables are one of the most common failure points in foldable phones. Removing that weak spot could improve durability and reliability over time. This approach also connects to Apple's growing focus on sustainability. A phone that lasts longer and is easier to repair could reduce electronic waste and make the device more attractive to users who care about environmentally friendly technology. Inside the phone, Apple is expected to use the powerful A20 processor. This chip should deliver faster performance, better battery efficiency, and smoother multitasking. The Fold Ultra is also rumored to include a large battery to support the bigger displays and advanced features. Apple is reportedly redesigning the internal layout of the phone as well. The motherboard may sit on one side while the battery and display structure stay on the other side. This setup could improve cooling, save space, and help the phone perform better during heavy use. Even the controls may look different on this device. Some leaks suggest the volume buttons could move to the top of the phone, while Touch ID and camera controls may be built into the side edge. Interestingly, Apple may rely more on Touch ID instead of Face ID for this foldable device. All these small design changes show that Apple is not simply trying to make a folding iPhone. The company appears to be redesigning the entire smartphone experience around a foldable form factor. And if Apple finally solves the hinge problem, the iPhone Fold Ultra could seriously change the foldable phone market. It could push competitors to improve durability, displays, and repairability across the entire industry. More importantly, it may finally convince many regular iPhone users to try foldable phones for the first time. Right now, the biggest question is not whether Apple can build a foldable phone. It's whether Apple can build one that meets its own standards. And knowing Apple, the company probably won't release it until it believes the experience